Ekta Kapoor, the POCSO case, and the Sabarmati report, a hypothetical connection. Ekta Kapoor's decision to produce the Sabarmati report has sparked speculation about potential external pressures influencing her creative choices. This assumption has gained traction in light of her involvement in a recent POCSO, Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act, case, which embroiled her in legal and public controversies. The timing of the case and the subsequent release of the politically charged film have led some to hypothesize a link, suggesting that right-wing political influence may have played a role. The POCSO case and its impact. Kapoor faced significant backlash over allegations that content on her streaming platform, Alt Balaji, was deemed inappropriate and in violation of POCSO regulations. Public outrage and legal summonses heightened the scrutiny on her professional activities. Many argued that this case marked a turning point in Kapoor's public demeanor, with a noticeable shift towards projects that align with narratives appealing to conservative sections of society. Shift in creative direction. Prior to this controversy, Kapoor was known for producing content focused on contemporary social issues, often pushing boundaries in terms of representation and narrative. However, the Sabarmati report, centered on the 2002 Godhra train incident, represents a significant thematic departure. Critics speculate that Kapoor may have chosen this subject to appease political factions seeking to bolster narratives around the event. Political speculation and right-wing influence. Some observers suggest that Kapoor may have faced implicit or explicit pressure to align her creative projects with ideologies favored by right-wing groups. The Sabarmati Express incident holds symbolic significance for such factions, making it a focal point for political messaging. The production and promotion of the Sabarmati report received notable endorsement from right-wing leaders, including Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi, further fueling these theories. Kapoor's public stance. Despite the speculation, Kapoor has consistently denied political motivations behind her work. In interviews, she has stated that the Sabarmati report aims to present facts and encourage dialogue, distancing herself from partisan narratives. However, critics argue that her public gratitude towards figures like Modi and her strategic timing of the project suggest a more complex dynamic. While there is no concrete evidence to prove that the POCSO case directly influenced Ekta Kapoor to produce the Sabarmati report, the convergence of legal troubles, political endorsements, and a marked shift in her creative direction lends plausibility to such assumptions. Whether driven by necessity, strategy, or coincidence, Kapoor's recent choices highlight the intricate interplay between entertainment, politics, and societal pressures in contemporary India.